Eti finally we say afa na Ghana for nebo atomium. Efa Igbo man yes, we be pimo Ghana hanomo a. Ono abebo ne ho ken. We dey about ho za for hen eje Ghana nsase boss wa akra hono no. The issue na that's what train we finally Ghana police ensaka Igbo man just say Igbo man is being arrested. Amazon evidence na man for at bosi na individual no. The video home come out. I Penyah block media. Make sure say dey dey. Obe like video no that one. Subscribe button and some make the notification icon for latest updates. Now bet you why you dem am e wo comment section. Make sure so baswa. No actually no for so enya bi ahwe. It's Igbo man no say issue no about update many updates on that. A free setting see akonya so 2012 ABC Enra Echi Sunday Homo festival is a Nungwa chief ya okwa ase bi no. I will give you update back to back. Now issue be very serious. Bra Gamanche, Gat Russia Council for issue communicate. Now, one, the Gat Russia Council restricts itself from all activities of the said Igbo king. That's it. Of the Council 2, the Gat Council has never recognized anybody or a person as a king of Igbos within the Gat state. State with that guy, Edebayo, and then almost so Igbo man, you disrespect person, ni amo okromansa so ebe debunk this issue. Yes, Obama candidate defense. Like as we no so asemoka. They have a lot to say. While we no ma yedi kumka so mukasa. Hell will break loose. Hell will break loose. What I say? I can say nwanwa say ahemfo ga ahemfo na e twa that in same way. Na dey munim dey akoso je munim dey akoso won na yintem. Ana mo kan se me e ma issue na chikwa no. Broad Richard Council na akwajan. Eso ebe kan bi editu ma na ga Treasury Council efa almost we can say omunim Igbo man yi o be bia dey say as we yi na ma onu nkwa na assembly fund no ma forget no o ma yi na ma etini shunaka eya get off the trend until Enuachi Sunday. That is a Nungwa chief celebrity homo wono ma ye the Igbo king you know ekopia si bi na hokwa Ghana for poche no so of example video I'm catching us you know was starting brotherhood ewa Ghana ha say Igbo brotherhood ewa Ghana ha team
Mike Ejiogu, national president of Oban and Onowu of Angara Kingdom, included the association's executive members and a significant representation of its general membership. They were warmly received at the Obiezioku Royal Palace in Accra, Ghana by His Royal Majesty Eze Dr. Ambassador Chukwudi Jude Ihenetu Eze Ohazurume I, accompanied by his esteemed wife Ugweze Liberty Ihenetu, along with the members of Council of Ndieze, chiefs, and elders of the Igbo community in Ghana. The leader of the delegation, High Chief Mike Ejiogu, lauded Ezendigbo Ghana's exceptional leadership in safeguarding the interests and businesses of the Igbo community in Ghana.
Where central leader, where others who come in sections, who do you pack up with? They protect the people over there. I am not over there. I am not able to do that. I can just buy a room. Buy a room to say, I can't who do there? Because all the room gets there. United we stand and divided we fall.
Also at the event, and in recognition of outstanding contributions, His Royal Majesty Eze Dr. Ambassador Chukwudi Jude Ihenetu presented the Ndigbo Diaspora Award for Excellence in Leadership to several distinguished members of Oban, including High Chief Mike Ejiogu, National President, Akrogolo United Brothers Association of Nigeria, Dr. Gideon Chidebere Osi, First Vice President, Chief Dr. Ebere Uzozie, BOT Chairman, and Chief Evans Chukwukadibia Emesim, National Founder and Coordinator. Additionally, Sir Kevin Chukwumobi Ike Upo, Chairman, CEO of APAMS Limited, was equally honored and recognized as Nigeria's foremost funeral undertaker and a pace-setter in the industry.
Now, in so bad finally, they say 1,000 years for the thief, 1 day for the master. Igbo king as well be Ghana hanu mo nipa be nan ebo nyeso e be say Igbo must go. Igbo king must go. We know they hear any Igbo for a country inside, you know. Abro ikumakwemo. Aban ensa kaye the Igbo king. Ayes Hassan Ayarega and edi edobenim erikochi Igbo king allegedly Igbo king or police for Akachi.
My people everywhere good. The Nigerian Igbo leader who is uncultured, who has no manners, who has been parading himself as a king, has been arrested by the only true son of the soil, Hassan Ayariga. Key where they don't arrest you. Ladies and gentlemen, yesterday around 3 p.m., Hassan Ayariga, who is the true son of the soil, stood up and said, enough is enough. He is the only man in Ghana for now who said, enough is enough. Ghanaians cannot stand with this kind of nonsense person. He then now reported this third king to the national security. At 3 p.m., the Igbo was staying on his poo-poo. Ladies and gentlemen, it's not a joke thing, like we said. The Nigerian commissioner to Ghana, who is still alive, and ours there has been murdered. And his lawyers did their possible best for Eze Igbo to be released. And the true son of the soil, the man of the movement, Hassan Ayariga, stood on his ground and said, "Lalai for the year, the man should be remain in custody."
Ladies and gentlemen, my
team now phone Hassan Ayariga. Please, let's listen to the voice note between my team and Hassan Ayariga.
The fact of the matter is that he's still with the National State. So he's denied that he has not bought land. But I said no. But the fact of the matter is that whether he has bought land or not, we'll investigate. But the most important thing is that they should strip him off of calling himself a king in Ghana.
All right.
And then I will get evidence of his illegal activities and send to them. And because he went there with his embassy people, the embassy has followed him, the lawyers have followed him, and they are not able to detain him. But I said they should keep him there till tomorrow.
Good. Honorable.
Yes.
I want to thank you very much for this.
See, power to the Nyash, thanking.
What was it now?
How much you need you? And there you go.
Messi. Oh yeah, yalaga beye.
Yalaga beye.
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 Piao. Mesana pawe. Wa mami kreni adio. Mese, Mama mi kreni adio, ura yalige, Hassan yaliga, Mama mi kreni adio. Mese, anapawe yati asemde, mese de yati asemde. Hassan Ayaliga, Honorable Hassan Ayaliga, mese we do useful yas mama ye, wa kan yas mama ye, wa kunya nkwama ye. And I sorry, young cabin, young cabin say, Yashi. Yet say, oh, yet say, oh, the night media, sir. And yet, you both can know the most troublesome killer, a match. Yes, a match. A match, Mr. Amatino. Mr. Obi Lady, I'm continue. Honorable Hassan Ayaliga. That man is undefeatable. Once someone on Casao, once on Casawada, once on Casawa once Hassan Ayaliga, Honorable, or Casawa Canada, on Becasao, we be good in a show, sir, and so what's the apostle, Obeblance with you. Monsieur, what's in order to coin now? My 3 a.m. Now, and a poet in Penifona, I don't my conwa, on Besso Mubelino. Now, Honorable said, Dabby. There's no way, me myself, I will release that man. And I answer Honorable Ayaliga, as my community say, I will do with this king mercilessly. What I say, about just Honorable Hassan Ayaliga. Mr. Winimino. Mr. Winim Ayaliga. Winim Ayaliga. That man over 52 years. Or a Ghanaian accountant. Charlie, that man, or a very fantastic, or a superb, or a wisdom, or a very good, or a very nice man. Mr. She, Igbo, and semi course on. Shaminka, my June, I'm in Tennessee. Chow, as some echo to say, Ghana for youthful, you near Bray, Cassayon. Can you imagine? Say, Ghana lead the Biana Peninga out. Not okay, Biana, Dabi. What to say, press and they say media, our Ghana, and Omokebiana, media, our Ghana, and Sambia, what one back about Igbo Kings and Semi and Kwade. I don't even know the reason why media personals be working on our tools of Munkebi. Just imagine, there's a chance to say, I say, that Igbo Keno or to talk to Ghana for no, just in the name of bribe, or more Muskanks and getting been under trade, escaping at the moment, or yeah, they've been put and ya won't make how. But they said they would demafo. Monsieur de Yayo Kamafo. The Sunday would demafo you Kamafu Ghana. Honorable Hassan Ayalaga, and who points it out, Yokon Tunko. Monsieur, why I dare not tell me 19 Funumbo demonstration Yakoyano, 19 Funundu. But Ayalaga starts Ghana, if we are resetting Ghana, I think say we need serious people like Honorable Hassan Ayalaga. Abra watching on the Cotumino, and Perifona Domako, person who barely the Igbo Keno. But no, that be I have to do with this man. This man, of course, some problems and this is in this country, and it's not fair. How? I say, Igbo Keno, when you know, or you saw eternity to the sense, New York, or you that Sunday, no Saturday, no. I think it's a Saturday. Now, that Igbo King or the honor or the digger for you to fight him. How? All the name of Ghana was in a handful, Ghana Pinifon and Namti. He feels say he can do whatever that he likes. No, you'll be about supporting him because I say no. What do you go, baby? Honorable Hassan Ayalaga, you're the voice number 12. No, we'll see. Why?
The fact of the matter is that he's still with the national security. So he's denied that he has not bought land. But I said no. But the fact of the matter is that whether he has bought land or not, we'll investigate. But the most important thing is that they should strip him off of calling himself a king in Ghana. And then I will get evidence of his illegal activities and send to them. And because he went there with his embassy people, the embassy has followed him, the lawyers have followed him, so that they are not able to detain him. But I said they should keep him there till tomorrow.
Good. Honorable.
Yes.
I want to thank you very much for this a very important step you have taken to redeem the image of this country at this point.
Thank you.
In fact, this arrest is to the interest of all of us, and possibly among other things.
Sisi one of the most interesting parts of this story is a Nigeria for any Igbo for no. I'm say Ayalaga di ano mu jane. Obi anta omusu. What some more no makazo Ayalaga bo papa. No money jane. That's the power in the name. Yes. The young case say oh yeah pay the for no. We set a good example we say oh. So na be foreigners no ba. Omutsi mudi omo slow. Because I'm not saying so you should welcome them nicely. No, you have to welcome them nicely. But it has to be like say, if they fool, you have to deal with them. They have to have some respect in your name. And should it be said, we are leaders from Ghana, and so because of how they relate to you people, they feel to do whatever that they like. No, that's not how it is. Because Ghana ni way man penny then that's how we call America. The almost rules of regulations won't be Muslim no matter how friendly like you be with them. Once you fuck up, they fuck up as you. So I think Ghanaians and our leaders should set good example like Honorable Hassan Ayalaga. And we love you, we the youth, we love you, Honorable, we love you, Piao.
Sam Abba. So I find out video so I'm share video no like double type for more update. ai esan say ye asemba e to epo asehwe mu yi nti no me ne wo kasa Igbo hine no ma lock no yese nra onya adaji tutu ni ntoma eko nungwa Ghana fuo sun Ghana fuo kika mu no man no onde wonte se dogu bi no abe na ofiri nungwa abeduru ye na ebo no miensa na ye bra pani Hassan Ayarga ema omukoko soa no nti wodam me ne wo kasa wodam ya empanifo no sebe rumor also for wani tuto form ne koy research ube hu asema me kai be kasa me ka kire o ma ti Igbo hine dede na ye ne dede hunu ene ye ye wo kwan hudo bibra ye dikum okra ai se wo fom na se wo pese wo de violence bo man ma ye be che wo ye de kokutum a ye do be gina court be hye se ye yi mfiri sa o ma wi mu no sebe ubi ene ho ma waje teku na sempo awo ho se wo ankasa ena wo ankasa usun se wo sika se o ma yi ye program bi wo be ko akwa jiko e de wo support akotai ubi achi wo ho no na se afi de usu se man no wo susu wanya hini wo mu a ensema ye kare won to asase bia na ensema ye tie ne se yese Nigeria ni nnwumtoni bi me pese mo boni for the meantime eto nsase bi se o de baba ba project bi na one na timi kasa ye na odane nsase de ma no ebi nim sinso ye no kore ye dom asuko ba me ne wo kasa ide o ma chi no atum sesi a me ne wo kasa no tresense eno a ogusu ebo no ho safo hene se wo ye Igbo hene abra onkrafo enhemfo aka kire ne se manen gina ba bia da enkase wo ye Igbo hene wakoye akwakofunu mrai amanne me ne wo kasa yi omu ahuku no na de wo ho sisi a me ne wo kano no enti obi anka na komantu ye dede na ye na omi je so nye se ye dede kwa ye dede ne kwa enye den ya mpanifo no betie na o me ya ade a ye so yakoma epeme da ase share video no follow ne like for more updates we and this in here mo yes asem we hu dede mpanifo no so tu hu anamo a oba comment ne share na afoforo nsanto mi ka no mo te se ampa Igbo king no o ma so no mo me da ase se wa hwe video no nyame.
But I'm yet to confirm the genuineness of this issue, as I said. But as it stands now, there, it is flying over the internet. Said the Igbo king allegedly is being arrested, being busted by Ghana police. I say, as on Ayarga, Anna a lady did arrest no. ACR Ghana for a home come a social maintenance. Also, bet my television, Amam, this is it is deemed right. See about Igbo king, and I said the Igbo king only one be I said police for SR 18 watching. Ubeta chewa bin ama me e wo comment section. How you think about it?